Hello everyone, in this video I will explain the EU Restoration Law, also known as the Nature Restoration Law. This regulation is one of the EU's most important biodiversity laws. Its goal is to restore degraded ecosystems across Europe and support the recovery of nature and land and at sea. The law requires member states to put restoration measures in place for at least 20% of the EU land areas and 20% of its sea areas by 2030. By 2050, restoration measures should cover all ecosystems that need restorations. The regulation applies to a wide range of ecosystems, including forests, wetlands, rivers, grasslands, agriculture ecosystems, marine habitats, and urban areas. It is designed to improve biodiversity, strengthen natural carbon sinks, support climate resilience, and help ecosystems recover from long-term degradation. For governments, the law requires national restoration planning and implementation. For business, the impact may be indirect but significant. It can influence land use, agriculture, forestry, infrastructure, water management, renewable energy planning, and nature-related reporting. The restoration law is not just about protecting nature that already exists. It is about actively repairing damaged ecosystems so they can function better and provide benefits such as a cleaner water, healthier soils, flood protection, pollination, and carbon storage. Overall, the EU Restoration Law is a key part of Europe's environmental and climate strategy. It connects biodiversity recovery with climate resilience and supports a more sustainable relationship between economic activity and natural systems.